What's up, guys? You may be thinking of picking something like this up for the kids in your life. But there's only one issue. There is a lot to choose from. You don't want to spend all day looking up the right one for your kid. That's why we have come here to make things simpler by picking 5 of the best hoverboards around for you to check out. Today's video is on the top 5 best hoverboards in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices like the video comment. And don't forget to subscribe now. Let's get started. Number 1. Hover One Drive Electric Hoverboard. The most capable hoverboard on our list, we have the Halo Rover All-Terrain Hoverboard. With its high-density aluminum fender wings, large all-terrain tires, and max weight limit of 264 pounds, the Halo Rover X is an absolute beast of a hoverboard. It comes packed with every feature you would want into an amazing-looking hoverboard. It even features no-fall technology in the form of ride assist, which keeps the hoverboard upright and balanced at all times while it's turned on. This hoverboard has the highest rated customer reviews in the industry, a 1-year warranty, and stellar customer service. So not only do you get a superb quality UL2272 hoverboard, but you get the backing of a great company that's willing to help you out when you need it. After doing an extensive review on all the top hoverboards, the Halo Rover X we easily ranked the number 1 hoverboard. It is the safest and best hoverboard today due to its advanced features. With Bluetooth, mobile app, free carry bag, and safety certified batteries, the Halo Rover X takes the crown as the top hoverboard to buy. In addition, their exclusive ride assistance technology also helps riders learn and prevent falling, which is the icing on the cake. Number 2. SISIGAD Hoverboard for Kids. The Tomalu hoverboard stands out in my eyes thanks to its colorfulness and multimedia functionality. It has LED lights which can flash in sync with the music played via Bluetooth. It also has lights on its tires. But is this the only upside to this machine? Let's find out. Design-wise, I found the hoverboard noticeably sleek. It has a futuristic-looking plastic body available in 3 colors: black, blue, and pink. And those LED lights we mentioned earlier only add to its sci-fi appeal. Of course, I have to mention that the hoverboard has UL22272 certification, so there's no risk of fires or any bad things like that. As the music and light functionality might suggest, this is definitely a more kid-focused hoverboard, and with a price to match. It can also fit adults, but they have to weigh under 165 pounds. This nearly disqualified me from testing it. Minimum weight is 44 pounds. The hoverboard's top speed is around 7.5 miles per hour, which is about average regarding hoverboards, and more than enough for many people. I found it fast enough when I tried it out. When it comes to range, maximum range listed is 12 miles, which is quite decent. This is provided by a 4Ah and 25 2V lithium-ion battery. My test unit didn't run out of juice prematurely as I took it for a spin, so I take Tomalu's word on its range. Number 3. Hover One Ultra Electric Self-Balancing Hoverboard Scooter. The next hoverboards on our list can be considered special because the company itself claims that one of them is the world's smartest hoverboard. That's an ambitious enough claim to leave you wondering what exactly is there in the Razer Hovertrax 2.0 and 1.5 that make them such great offerings. Well, don't worry. You are not the only one who is looking to uncover the truth, as we are going to take a proper in-depth look at just how good the Razer Hovertrax 2.0 and 1.5 are. Considering some of the early incidents surrounding the hoverboards, every hoverboard now requires a UL2272 certification, and both the 1.5 and 2.0 have it. This certification means that the hoverboard is actually fitting on all the safety instructions that are given by the government and will not spontaneously catch fire or have its batteries short-circuit. The Razer Hovertrax 2.0 offers an impressive cruising speed of 8+ mph and comes with dual 350-watt motors that are both silent and efficient. The 1.5 cruises at 6 miles per hour and also has 2 350-watt motors. The Hovertrax 2.0 is capable of running up to 60 minutes on a full charge, and while the duration isn't the best, it's still commendable. The 1.5 runs for 45 minutes because of its smaller battery. However, you should keep in mind that the rider's weight will also matter and will be put into consideration when measuring the total run time. Number 4. All-new HS2 0V Bluetooth Hoverboard Mat. If you are looking for a hoverboard that will not break the bank and still give you all the basic functionalities, then the VEKO hoverboard is what you are looking for. The VEKO hoverboard is actually one of the cheapest hoverboards I have reviewed so far. Is it the best hoverboard for budget-conscious users? Let's find out. Considering the low price tag, the contents of the box were not shocking for me. You get the hoverboard itself, a charging cable, an instructional manual, and that is about it. The low price tag means that you are not going to get any fancy accessories, and I'm perfectly fine with that. There are good things in this hoverboard like a solid construction and a minimalistic design. This is by no means a hoverboard designed for off-road terrains, but it does a good job at working on plain terrains. The hoverboard does come with the U2272 certification, and the reason why I am mentioning this in every review is because this more or less has become a benchmark of the hoverboard that you should buy or avoid. In case you are not aware, the earliest batches of hoverboard had safety issues, and that is why this certification has become so important in every single hoverboard that I test. I do not want the consumers to risk their safety. Number 5. Jetson Spin All-Terrain Hoverboard. While the name of the hoverboard is certainly an odd one, the good thing is that Extremopower US has been in the business for some time and have manufactured some great hoverboards in a cost-effective price range. Since this hoverboard is on the budget side, I will be keeping in mind that I am reviewing a budget hoverboard. The product focuses on being energy efficient and allows you to travel 6 miles on a single charge. While it might not be the highest number you will see, it is still respectable considering the price tag. The maximum load is 200 pounds. Again, not the highest number, but this will be perfect for the most users. The hoverboard does come with the basic certification, but what is surprising here is the inclusion of LED lights for signaling purposes. This is not a feature that you see often on a cheaper hoverboard, so it is definitely a good thing to see here. Another surprising thing on this hoverboard is Bluetooth speakers. Surprising because this feature is mostly missing from budget-oriented hoverboards. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box for any kind of problem. Comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.